everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all having a lovely week, and I am so sorry that I didn't get this posted on Wednesday. I have been feeling a little under the weather, so hopefully I can get this up today. But hello, I hope everybody is doing great, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing, because I have been led to believe by the statistics that most of the people that watch this channel are not subscribed. So just go ahead and join our weird little family and subscribe to the channel so you can catch all of our weird little activities, including the one I'm about to show you. So for this little craft video, it's very simple, it's very quick, and that's one thing I wanted to try to emphasize on this, is it is really quick as long as you don't take into the fact that I painted this beforehand. That did take me a couple hours, but the actually assembly and all of this for this little project is fairly quick and easy, and it's really minimum on what you need for this craft project. But let me pick it up. I wanted to show you how to make this lovely bee bath. Yes, and this is kind of heavy, so, and I'm trying not to spill everything in it. So I'm going to talk you through how to make this lovely bee bath. And yeah, I went a little stereotypical and put bees on it. I'm going to make another one for a butterfly feeder, and I'm going to put butterflies on it. I have one outside that's just plain already, so I figured I'd decorate this one a little bit. And don't worry, I made sure like all the paint and the sealant and everything is like bee friendly, so it doesn't put any chemicals in the water and stuff. Plus I left the inside, as you could tell, I left the inside of the bee bath, I left it free of paint. So again, I didn't have to worry about it harming my little bee friends, because I need them to pollinate my garden and my flowers outside. So we got to help the bees here. They need all the help that they can get. But like I said, for this project, you're only going to need pretty much a pot, the pot bottom, and some stones and glue if you choose to glue yours. I think mine outside is not glued down, so, and this one I did glue down just because I wanted that extra security. But you know, it's your choice of what you want to use. So I will go ahead and cut to the craft part of the video, and then meet y'all back at the end when we're done. Okay, so for this craft, and I'm sorry this has been a little late, but for this craft you are going to need your terracotta pot that you've already decorated, and you're going to need the bottom technically, but this is going to be our top of our terracotta pot. And as you can see, I already went through the trouble of decorating it to match my bottom. You are going to need some E6000 glue, or some really strong sturdy glue, and some kind of pebbles of your choice, and then some scissors. So all we're going to do is just glue the top of, or the bottom technically, to the top of our, to the bottom. I know it's confusing, but I'm going to glue that to the terracotta pot so we can make it look like that. We'll get a bit more center there, but make it look like that so we can put our stones in here, which is where the water's going to hold for our bee bath. So I'm going to go ahead and break out my glue. And just, now mine's a little dry, so this is going to take a minute. Okay, yeah. Just make sure you put a hefty amount of glue. Okay. That way it'll stick. Okay. I squeezed too much now. That's the only thing I hate about the E6000 glue, is you think you're not squeezing enough and then you squeeze too much. Okay, and then let's go ahead and just set that right on top. Try and get that even. And it does take a while to cure. There we go. Okay, and now all we're going to do is just start placing our pebbles and stones in our pot, well, in the lid of our pot. Because what the stones provide, because you don't want to put that much water and stuff in here, but you want to have somewhere for the bees to actually rest on. I have another one outside that is pretty much full to the brim with like pebbles and stuff, and then I can put like a nice even layer of water in it. So I don't think this one I want to fill up the whole way. Well, I might, I don't know. That's the one thing I do like about the bee baths, you can make them any way you want to. So I'm going to some of the pretty stones in there. See, just because I like the way they reflect the water and stuff, it makes it look pretty for the garden. Okay, just add a few more. See, the longest part of this project is if you really want to paint and decorate your terracotta part, which I did before I recorded this because it did take me a while. Plus you have to paint it a couple times and then you have to seal it and all that. So I just wanted to go ahead and take care of that before I recorded this because I don't think y'all want to sit and watch me for a couple hours doing this. So that's supposed to be a quick and easy craft. But there we go. Just place it in there. Let's see. This way it gives your bees or your butterflies or your wasps or whatever have it in your garden, give them nice little spots to just relax a little bit and get a quick drink, because I have a feeling our summer this year is going to be extremely hot. It is already hot, so it's probably going to be brutal. And we got to help the bees out as much as we can. Okay, and there we go. That pretty much has it for how mine is what it's going to look like when I put it outside. So, like I said, this is a quick and easy craft. You can leave these. I have one outside that I didn't paint, so you can leave it plain and just glue your top, well, your bottom, your two bottoms together, so you make like your good base to put your water in. Now, when you fill this up, you're going to make sure you don't fill it up all the way. You just want to get like a nice little puddle in there because you don't want to drown your bees. So, but I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little tutorial craft. You know, I figured it'd be something quick and easy for us to do. But there is what it pretty much will look like when you are done, and just set it outside and let your bees enjoy it. Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't have to try to record this ending like 3 times now. So yeah, I'm laughing about this. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this quick and easy little bee bath craft. Like I said, as long as you don't take into the account that it did take me like 2 or 3 hours to paint this and seal it and all that, then it's a quick and easy little craft. And I think I told you in the beginning part of this video that you could go ahead and buy pots that are decorated. So that's entirely up to you. Just make sure you have like the top part, which is your base for all your rocks and stones and stuff for your little bees to land. Just make sure you have that where it's sealed and it's not going to leak. So again, here is mine. And yes, again, I went stereotypical and put bees all over it just because I really thought it was cute. I like it. I thought it was adorable. Plus, that's the first time I've ever painted bees. So, you know, I figured, hey, why not? But this is what mine looked like. And as you can tell, I did leave the inside and not paint it. And I also didn't seal the inside either, because I didn't want to risk like any chemicals or anything. Like, I made sure all of my stuff that I used was good for the bees. But at the same time, I still didn't want to risk it, so I put that little added protection and just left that empty in there and just put my stones and stuff. So anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Like I said, it's really simple. You just need a pot, a base, and some stones. And I'm gonna go ahead and stick mine outside when I get done recording this, and probably take some pictures, and maybe I'll get some little bees that'll stop by. That way it'll make the tag picture look even better. So, but anyways, I hope y'all have a lovely, fabulous day. Like I said, if you are new here and you've stuck with me this long, then go ahead and, you know, subscribe. And if you are already a member of this channel, hello lovelies, I hope y'all have a great rest of the week. There we go. And unlike me, hopefully you're not suffering from allergies and have a sinus infection. It's been a nightmare. That's why this video is late. But anyways, I will see y'all in the next video. I have a few fun crafts coming up, and I have a fun like gardening vlog that I'll probably be posting this coming Monday. So stay tuned for that. And like always, I will see y'all next time. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.